There is a question from a student that why ionic bond is non-directional. My dear students, ionic bond is an electrostatic force of attraction between cation and anion. When we have a cation, suppose this one is sodium, then its electric field will be present in spherical manner in all the directions around this positive ion. We can say that its electric field is omnidirectional, mean in all directions, or you can say non-directional, means with no specific direction. If there will be an anion that will come close to this cation, it can experience the electrostatic force of attraction from all directions. It means there is not any specific direction through which the anion should approach this cation. It can approach from any side. So all these, they will be the electrostatic forces of the cation with the anion. So in this way, the ionic bond is omnidirectional bond or a non-directional bond because the electric field of any ion, whether cation or anion, it spreads in a spherical manner around the ion in all the directions.